Okay, what's up guys, and welcome to this very video where I'll be teaching you how to use Canva, and alongside that I'll be making an illustration by designing this particular profile picture just exactly as Will Smith has on his Instagram. Okay, so you'll be using Canva for this. It's very pretty easy. So you are learning how to use Canva, and also the same time learning how to design a cool profile picture like this one. So to do this, we need Canva. And Canva Pro to be precise, because there are so many features that will be applying on this particular tutorial that will need you to be a Canva Pro user. So I advise you to go to the link in the description, and also in the comments there is a pinned comment there to upgrade to a Canva Pro. Trust me, there are so many hidden functions and hidden features on Canva that you enjoy if you're on the Pro account, and it's quite affordable and you give you more value for your money. Okay, so go upgrade to Canva Pro. Then once you go over to Canva, let me start afresh. Go over to, you can use any canvas, you can use Instagram templates, like, but just make sure you're using a blank canvas. Okay, so in my own case, I clicked on Instagram templates, I clicked on Instagram posts, and it led me to this point, which I clicked on create a blank Instagram post. Then it leads you to this particular page. Okay, so remember, we are trying to replicate this particular profile picture by Will Smith. So all what we need to do right now is to go to upload. We choose a picture that I want to import. First of all, let me check something. If you look here, you see that you have a circle behind, isn't it? So we are just going to go to elements. So pay attention how Canva works also. So there is a big circle here which is green at the moment, so we need to change it to yellow. This is where you change colors of any item you import on Canva. So we change it to yellow here, right here, which is the first step. Then the second step is to import a picture that we want to use. So in my own case, I have this picture, this cool picture that I want to use. Let me pull it over to this point. Okay, and what I want to do, I want to resize this picture to be that visible. Okay, but I need to crop it to the point where only my face shows, which is what I want to do. Profile picture doesn't need all of this. Okay, so this is just what I need to show, this face, isn't it? So I'm just going to click on edit image, and remove background. You need to remove this background so it won't interfere with what you have here. So let's leave Canva to do its magic. It will take some while. Although there are easy ways to remove background, you can use remove.bg, but why do it outside Canva if you can easily do everything, get everything done on Canva? I mean, so this is one of the benefits of owning a Canva Pro account. You get to easily remove any background from a picture. Okay, so Canva is done doing its magic. As you can see, it's removed the background right now, so I have only my picture. So what I want to do right now is duplicate this particular image, duplicate it. Okay, sorry, okay, I have to duplicate it, but it keeps on. Okay, so to duplicate this one in the front or anyone, we're just going to go to edit image. Also, there is a function called dual tone. We are going to click on dual tone. There is a white outline at the back of Will Smith's face, isn't it? So this is the feature I want to go for. So after you click on dual tone, you click on Pomelo. Okay, any one of them is more to be Pomelo. So you click on the center. Then we'll choose white. Then shadows, we choose white also. The intensity has to remain at 1. Okay, please don't touch that. Then we'll click on apply. Okay, so we'll just send this to the back. Okay, we don't need to send it to the back though. So then back to our tutorial, we'll go to elements. Okay, then we'll click on frame, this particular frame, there is a frame, there are so many frames, but you click on circle frame, then bring it up to this point. All right, so we'll push this first white image in this frame, which takes this shape, isn't it? So we import another frame, the circle one. Okay, then import this main image into this frame. Nice. Okay, so you see it takes this curved shape, isn't it? So what I want to do right now again is to increase the size. I'll increase the size of these two. Increase the size. Hold on, this has to come down here. Then the circle has to get bigger. Okay, let me make the circle a little bit bigger so it accommodates the profile. All right, so I think this is okay for now. Then this white has to be at the background, isn't it? So we'll just scale it up. I think so let me reduce it a little bit so it takes this shape. Hold on. Okay, so I think this looks okay right now. Then there is this too. Okay, so we just have to bring it up here. Just position it. You can scale it down a little bit if you need the white at the background to show. Then you position it well. Okay, so there you have it. Exactly. There you have it. Once you upload this picture right here, it takes the shape on Instagram, this oval shape, and this is almost exactly as we have here on Canva, isn't it? I hope I tried, but I hope you guys get the message I'm trying to pass across, right? So go on Canva, explore this tool, play around with this particular tool. You can even change, the color of this circle. You can pull it up to this particular one. Still serve the purpose. It just depends on what you want to achieve, the look you want to achieve. Okay, it all depends on the look you want to achieve. It's all left for you. Okay, so just go try this tutorial out, try it out, and let me know in the comment section if it's really worked for you. This is Tony saying goodbye for now, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.